Hello dear audiences, we are now at the 2023 China Plus live streaming official channel. So now we are going to have our next tour focusing on the topic Unlock the Possibilities, First Material Launch. So please follow me and we're gonna visit 3 companies this time. Dear audiences, this is 2023 China Plus. So we are now at the booth of Polyplastics. Standing next to me is Mr. Kinukawa, the marketing director of the company. Hello, sir. Yep. So would you like to say some greetings to the audiences in front of the screen?
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for your introductions. So we are Polyplastics. We are engineering plastic companies, so focus on such a kind of technical support to the customers a lot. And then we are established 1964, so long history so far. So we have the booth in the China Plus, along with the Daicel, our parent company today. So we are introducing our booth right now. May I start? Or?
Yeah, sure. Our marketing director is going to introduce some innovations and technologies, right? We have for the exhibition this year. So we are very pleased that you can start at any time you like.
All right, thank you very much. So first of all, let me introduce our new materials, which called PEK.
Okay.
So as you see here, PEK materials, actually focus on here. So actually we have a crystallization material here, like the material in red is our product lineups, and this one, PEK, is a new material for us today. As you see, PEK material is in a very high positions, high heat resistant temperatures, and also very good mechanical strengths, as you see. So it's a kind of minor and not major market, but this material can help customers to make the very innovative products in the futures.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the introduction about the engineering plastics powder, right?
And this is PEK material here.
Okay.
And also, let me introduce one more here.
Sure.
Yeah, this is engineering plastics powders. Powder is not a plastic, pellet. Very small piece of, pellet. So, as you see here, also we have 2 liners, just POM and just PPS is also powder materials. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So your customers can enjoy the making very flexible shapes and the products as well.
Okay,
yeah.
So this is the general introduction of the products here, right?
Yeah.
And I think we still have a few more, right?
Yeah.
I just follow you.
May I?
Sure.
Yeah. Please go here. Yeah.
This one?
Yeah,
okay.
This one. So this is Plaston LFT, so long, fiber reinforced, plastics. We usually, use this kind of reinforced, product, additives, but we have a long ones, so such as 5 times at least longer, and the current product.
So we have different lengths, right?
Yeah. And then it makes the plastics or products can be more stronger.
Okay.
This is one of the strong points. Yeah.
So this is another strength, right?
Yeah, another thing. Yeah.
Because I can see it actually has an enhanced strength and also different lengths, right, for the particles or something like that. Yeah, sure. So anything else you'd like to say, or maybe?
Can I introduce one more?
Sure.
Instead?
Where?
Yeah.
Where is that?
Yeah, go.
I can just
Please
follow
go.
you.
Yeah, please come
Sure.
this way. Yeah, please.
This board?
Yeah, this one. This one is also new materials for us today. So this is PO materials. Also, this is engineering plastics, but this is for 3D printing. 3D printing is a kind of standard right now, but POM, using PO material is very innovative. Yeah, I think we are the only one suppliers to supply powder, POM powders in the market. So very flexible item could be made. Also, we have the actual product today. May I introduce?
Yeah,
or-
where?
Yeah.
The display counter.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
We look at this product here.
Yeah. I think we can take a zoom in, right? Closer.
Yeah. So 3D printing materials is here, as you see here.
Yes.
Yeah. We could have the kind of very, very difficult by the injection machines.
Yeah.
So very flexible size and the products like springs and there's a ball inside the ball.
Oh.
Yeah.
Something like embedded, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's totally different from the existing product method.
Yeah. It's very finely made, I should say.
Yes.
And I can see some small animals there. Right? So they
This is
also
a little
made
bit, this is actually different product, sorry.
Yeah, okay.
This is for the printing material.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
So these are actually the display or the
Yes.
samples made of the 3D printed materials, right?
Yeah, that's totally
Okay.
correct. Yeah.
So yeah, I think by looking at this, the audience will have a clearer and more straightforward view and understanding of what the products can be made, right?
Right.
Okay.
Absolutely correct.
So anything else you'd like to say? Maybe you just finished the introduction, or would you like to? say
Probably
something
let
more?
me introduce one more topic,
Okay.
which is very remarkable in the market,
Sure.
in the plastic field. Here.
Okay.
Of course, right now, environmental friendly product and the method and policy is very important in the market, right?
Yes.
So we also have this kind of policy as a company policy. So 2050, sorry. Yeah. We have the zero carbon emissions.
Yeah.
Of course, we have to target and then we have to achieve it. So today, actually, we have such kind of product lineups, but as an overall, we need the concept first of all to achieve it.
Yes.
So sustainable products and the process and the peoples. This also cooperate with the Dicel, our parent company, together,
Okay.
and then try to achieve right now. Yeah. So as you see, kind of green products
Yes.
and the eco-friendly. So yeah, kind of chemical industry seems to be an opposite way to
Yeah.
make eco.
Protect the
But
environment,
right. However, we seriously work on this and then achieve the target.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, looking at the board, I can just pick the word sustainable for all the time, right?
Yeah.
So I think this is actually our current focus and should be the future focus as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, and as you said, we actually focus on reducing the emission or whatever.
Yeah.
Something like carbon neutrality, carbon peak, or something like it, right?
Yeah.
And I
We
think-
must achieve it. Yeah.
Yeah, and this is what I think should be the target or the focus of the entire industry.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So anything you would like to say, or that's all about the introduction?
Yeah. That's all for today.
Okay,
Yeah.
so
This time. Yeah.
thanks again. And I think the audiences can now better understand what we have and what we have brought to the exhibition this time at China Plus 2023. So I think we all welcome them to come here and pay a visit. So yes, if you are interested in this, and just come here and get yourself familiar with the machines and also the products better. And I think the most important thing, the
Yeah.
materials, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So if you could not come, don't worry. We can enjoy our live streaming at China Plus 2023. Thank you.
Thank you.
来宾进来。那像是您刚刚也提到了，我们
So, dear audiences, we are now at the second stop of this tour this afternoon. So now we are at Shenzhen Water Company. So standing next to me is the vice president of the company, Stephen Xu. Nice to meet you, Mr. Xu. Hello.
Yeah.
So yes, I think the audiences have a dire need to know our company information. So would you like to give them a brief introduction?
Okay. What is a stock list company based in Shenzhen? Actually, we have 6 plants across China. One in Guangzhou, 2 in Jiangsu, 1 in Sichuan, and 1 in Shanghai. The last one in Zhejiang province.
Okay.
So for this exhibition, we will focus on the PPA product. We launched the PPA polymerization production since 2 years ago. Actually, for this moment, we are the second biggest PPA maker in China. So let me introduce our PPA product.
Okay, sure. So thank you for a brief introduction about company first.
Yeah.
And yes, I just heard 3 letters, right? PPA.
Yeah.
And then no, you're gonna lead us there.
Yeah.
So I just follow you maybe. Okay, this way.
Okay, so we invest more than $30 million in Chongqing Changshou Industry Park since 2 years ago. So this moment we already have 8,000 tons polymerization capacity, and our total demand, total capacity will be 20,000 tons after 2 years, which means in the year 2024. So let me introduce our PPA product.
Okay, sure.
Yeah. The worldwide PPA consumption we guess around 200,000 tons.
Okay.
PPA widely used in the automotive industry, E&E industry, and the consumer industry. So let me introduce some quite interesting application.
Okay, sure.
Yeah.
I can hold the mic for you.
Yeah.
So you can show to the audience.
This is the automotive water pump, especially for the EV car. Every EP car have the several water pump. So currently the water pump, the size is not so big, but the new generation will be much more bigger.
Okay.
So the PPA consumption can be increased a lot.
Okay.
So we are partner with some market leader tier 1 to develop a new serious product. Okay, this is PPA.
This is the first sample, right?
Yeah, sample.
Okay.
PPA has certain advantage compared with the traditional PPAs. So actually, this is a PPA replacement.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I also see there are a few more, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Let me introduce.
Sure.
Yeah. So this is this product is the metal replacement. The previously customer used the metal to make this. This is for the water application.
Okay, water application.
Under the hole. So this product, the life science can be 60 years. So the product materials reliability is very important.
Okay.
So we are partner with one German market leader. We just launched this product since last year. So we passed all the tests, include water, 5 quite important water approval. It takes time.
Okay.
Yeah.
So for water use and
Yeah.
water pump, right?
Yes, water
and how
pump.
about this one?
This product is a very hot topic at this moment. This is for the EV car. The name of this product is the IGBT. IGBT. Actually, the IGBT product is in shortage at this moment. This is our PA10T. It's a very special PPA product. So currently, customer use PBT, otherwise PPAs. But the next generation will be PPA, because PPA's CTI temperature is higher than PBT. It gives customer some design flexibility, and they can make a more complicated, more big size product.
Okay.
So we are also partner with market leader in China and in Germany. Our material passed all the tests. So we think we will get a commercial business in Q2.
Okay. So yeah, we now can just see a prospect, right?
Yes.
From your introduction.
Yeah.
So this is all about your innovations and technologies that you present in China Plus 2023, right?
Yes.
Okay. So yes, we can see a wide range of application. Like we have the pump, we have the long-term water application.
Yes.
And also the last and most interesting one, right?
Yes.
The important one.
Yes.
So we can also see the company's trend, which is PPA. It's actually a replacement of PPAs,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Okay, so great. And anything you'd like to say to the audience?
So all product, for example, these 3 applications, all material need to pass the very complicated second part taste, it takes a long time. And our internal taste facility, although very similar with our end customer, so they are very satisfied our materials performance. And we can many new projects since 2 years ago. Our sales volume increased a lot.
Okay. Yeah, so first of all, congratulations to your increase of the sales. Yes. I know this is the most important thing for the company, right?
Yes.
And yes, we just know the company's information, and we now know the new innovations and also some technologies that you actually upgrade or innovate,
Yes.
right,
Yes.
in the past 1 or 2 years.
Yes.
So I think that's good. We can see a good trend of the industrial development as well.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
And, yes, and we also increase our capacity in Chongqing. We will double our PPA capacity in the end of this year.
Okay, so we look forward to that.
Yeah.
Okay, and again, thanks to Mr. Stephen Xu, the Vice President of the company, for introducing us the samples, the technologies, and also the company information. So if you are really interested in this, you are always welcome to join us, right?
Yes.
And have a visit here.
Thank you.
And yeah, so if you don't have time, don't worry. We have the official live streaming channel, so please welcome. And we always wait to have you. Hello dear audiences, welcome to 2023 Channel Plus official live streaming platform. And now we are on the third station of our tour today. And now we are at Shandong Dong Company. So standing next to me is the important export director, Derek Zhang. Hello Mr. Zhang, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. So would you like to say some greetings to our audiences here?
Yeah. Hello. Hi. I'm Derek Zhang. I'm in charge of sales, of overseas sales of Dong Group.
Okay.
And next, I would like to brief introduction of Dong Group and our key products and what's our latest technologies.
Okay, yeah, we'll just follow you maybe to show our technologies, innovations, and while we're walking, we can also say something more about your company.
Okay.
Would that be okay?
Okay.
Okay, so I'll just follow you.
Thank you. Please follow me. Please. Yeah, watch your step.
This one?
So, Dong is a famous company in the plastic industries. We are famous in TPV technologies. Since 2017, we are listed on the stock market, and these materials are already widely used in automobile industries. And this technology, we come from 2008 from Beijing Chemical University, and this material is widely used in automobile sealing system and under the hood, the product. Already the capacity ranked #1 in China and #3 in the world.
It's very good ranking.
Yeah,
right?
this is some key applications. For example, for window sealing applications, we call glass run channel, belt line, and also for injection molding, the airbag frame, blow molding, the dust cover applications.
Okay.
And our key customers is very famous in worldwide OEMs like Toyota, Hyundai, General Motors, and all the Chinese cars.
Okay. Yeah, we can see a wide range of application, right?
Yes,
And I can
yes.
see so many accessories here.
Yes.
So maybe now we can move a little bit further because I can see there's so many samples there.
Okay.
Okay, we'll just follow you again.
Watch your step.
And also we can see a great flow here, right?
Yeah.
So we are actually attracting a lot of
Yeah.
audiences there.
Yeah,
this
Dong Polymer also put investment for special rubbers and high technology rubbers. We call HMBR, hydrogenated MBR. This technology is from Beijing Chemical University as well. And we design 3,000 tons per year. And this rubber is widely used in in automobile industries, drilling industries, and airplane industries. In the world, this kind of rubber, only 3 countries can produce. One is Zone, and Lanxess, and third is China.
Yeah, we're so proud to be one
Yeah,
of 3,
yeah.
right? Yes, and what else? This one?
We involved healthcare industries from the early beginning of the raw materials, polypropylene, from the melt-blown fabrics, then to end products, diaper and face masks. And this we made a great contribution during the pandemic period. From 2020, when the COVID-19 happened. So we expand our capacities to reach 1,200 tons per day to satisfy the requirement of the PPE market.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
So that's a great contribution, actually.
Yes,
Yeah.
we also get the State Council satellite for the contribution for that period.
Sounds really great and honorable, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and what else I can see there's
Also, we have several plants in Qingdao can produce color master batch. It's we call it functional master batch. Have the color master batch, filler master batch, and the different application of the master batch, like a soften master batch, conductive master batch. All these functions master batch is for plastic compound and for end product applications.
Okay.
Our key customers are the higher and Hisense.
Ah, also
Yeah.
famous companies. Right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes. So what else?
For home appliances and technology for the plastic alloy compounds for flame retardant polycarbonate with ABS for the printer housing, and TPU, TPE for cell phone case,
Yes.
and also for some kitchen stuff.
usage,
Yeah,
right?
kitchen usage. For TPV, apart of automotive application, also for wire and cable application. Yeah. And also other special engineering like reinforced polyprop, PPO. Yeah. For pure
The
water
pump,
pumps,
right?
yes. And building seal strips, TPE and TPO for waterproof membrane application. And for different house, the pipe and hose, yes. So our main products mainly used in home appliances applications and automotive applications. And nowadays, we realize that we should follow the upstream of the raw materials. So this is our latest upstream polymerization program, the PBAT. PBAT resin and modified PBAT, PCTG and PETG. And these facilities we just launched early this year. Already start production 3,000 tons for trial, but the capacity is 120,000 tons. And for PBAT, it's biodegradable materials.
Bio one. Yeah.
Yes. Because the plastic pollution is become more and more serious in our planet. So we need to find a good way to make plastic recyclable and make a recyclable item it's easier to recycle.
Yes.
Yeah. So
Just
we
try to upgrade.
designed the PBAT from the PBAT raw materials, plastic compounds, and to the end product.
Okay.
But
Oh,
it's
this is
fat.
what we produce,
Yeah.
right? Using
And the
those
food package.
materials.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
So all this whole industry chain can protect our planet, and I totally agree. Another new polymerization material is PCTG and PETG, because this is for example, we are drinking the bottle.
Yes.
The bottle previously they contain some harmful element like PBA. This is not good. So we designed a new formulation to make a PCTG as PBA free. Like this kind of resin before only US Korean company can produce. Now in China, we have.
Also 1 out of 3, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So yeah, we can see that the company's products are widely used in the auto industry.
Yes.
And also the home appliances.
Yes.
And now, not only we have those end products, right? We also
Yes.
focus on the materials.
Yes.
Yeah. So I think the application of your innovations or technologies, especially the ones you bring to the China Plus 2023, will be very rich, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and also in a wide range.
Yeah.
So I think when the audiences they want to come here for a visit,
Yeah.
we can also offer them clear and detailed introduction, right?
Yes, welcome to our
Okay.
booth. Our number D117.
Okay.
Yeah.
So remember, so if you are really interested in this, you are always welcome to join us. And if you can't, don't worry. We have the official broadcasting or live streaming channel, so we are waiting here for you. Thank you. Dear audiences, we just finished our tour named to unlock the possibilities. First material launch. And I hope you enjoy the journey. And tomorrow we will also have tours. And also the later afternoon, we will have tours to guide you for further exploration in the exhibition this time. So this is China Plus 2023, and we are the official live streaming channel. Thank you.